There's a colossal floating waste zone. It is called the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, and this amazing cleanup tech is tackling this major menace head on. I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy. Follow me at cyberguy.com and sign up for my newsletter when you're there. Now, if you don't know about it, the Great Pacific Garbage Patch is a floating, garbage patch that stretches 600,000 square miles from California to Japan. It takes my breath away every time I see this massive floating dump. Enter a heroic group. The Ocean Cleanup is an organization whose goal it is to clean up the garbage patch using some remarkable high-tech tools. One of these tools is a System 002, or Jenny is a nickname, which uses two fuel-powered ships to tow a U-shaped catch system across the surface. Once it's full of debris, it's unloaded into a collection ship and brought to shore. The new System 03, nicknamed Josh, can take on even bigger cleanups. The current record is over 40,000 pounds and includes a marine animal safety hatch. Once they've collected the trash, the company claims that they recycle the majority of it and create durable and valuable products. And the unusable plastics get incinerated to generate electricity. Considering only about 5% of plastic actually gets recycled in the US, what do you think of this solution? More crazy cool tech at cyberguy.com. Are you getting my newsletter? Get it for free by opening a browser, type in cyberguy.com and click the red button.